So for this problem, to write the standard equation of an ellipse, so given the vertex and the covertex, so first we need to plot the given coordinates. So from vertex, x positive 6, so this is x positive 6, y positive 3, and this is y positive 3, then connect, and this is now the point of the vertex. Then for this co-vertex, x negative 4, so this is negative 4 for x, y negative 2, so this is negative 2 for y, then connect. So this is now the point for the co-vertex. Now take note, since the given vertex and co-vertex, therefore we can find the center from the point of intersection of vertex and co-vertex. So since there are two points of intersection, so this point and also this point, so to find the center, focus on vertex and look for the longer line on vertex. So since this line is the longer line for vertex, therefore this point is the center of an ellipse. Then to find the coordinate for the center, so x is negative 4 and y is positive 3. So the coordinate is negative 4 and positive 3. So we have now the values for h and k. So h is negative 4 and k is positive 3. Then observe, since the vertex is in horizontal position, so therefore this ellipse is a horizontal ellipse, and this is now the formula for the horizontal ellipse. So we have the x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. Then since we have now the values for h and k, so we need to find the values for a and b. So using this formula, so since we can solve a using center to vertex, so therefore we're going to use the counting method. So this is the center and this is the point of the vertex. So we need to count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, A is equal to 10. Then this time to solve for B using this formula. So center to co-vertex. So again, this is the center and this one is the point of the co-vertex. So we need to count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, B is equal to 5. Then substitute now these four values to find the standard equation of this ellipse to this formula. So we have x minus h, and h is negative 4. Then y minus k, and k is positive 3. Then this 1 over a squared, so a is 10, so this is 10 squared. Then over b squared, and b is 5, so this one is 5 squared. Then to simplify, so this double negative, so this becomes positive. Then bring down minus 3. And for this 10 squared, this one is 10 times 10, so this is 100. And 5 squared, that's 5 times 5, this is 25. So this is now the standard equation for this ellipse.